Greetings. Today we're going to be looking at two different toys. One being light up rings, and the other one being a play cell phone. Okay, the first toy we'll look at today is a play cell phone that whenever you press a button, it produces a noise. Okay, so let's open it up. As you can see, this toy is pretty simple, just kind of model of a cell phone that would be given to kids. It has a pretty simple operation. The left hand side has a button that makes a noise. There's a middle button, and then there's a right hand button. It appears that the function is it just makes a noise at random. So if you press the left hand button, it'll just cycle through all the noises. So now the operation of this is actually pretty simple. The top part shown here is a speaker that just makes a simple little noise. And it's magnetic, as you can see. The second part to note is the switch is just right here. It's this really long electric pad right here that changes inductance as you press down on it using these little button things. From here you can see the batteries down here, and those batteries are connected onto the PCB right here, and a little bitty black dot right there. This black dot happens to be a microcontroller that is essentially the brain of this and allows the circuit to make these noises. Now let's look at our other toys here, who are these rings that whenever you press them, they light up and do all sorts of colorful things. Okay, now with this toy, you'll also see another really simple circuit. Is whenever you press this button back here, it lights up these two LEDs. Here, I'll press it and then you can see. Okay, as you can see here, in the center is the same type of inductive button we had before. And this time you can see that it's ran to this little blob here. This blob's similar to the blob that was found on the other toy, in the sense that it is also a microcontroller that is controlling the speed at which the lights, as you can see it being connected to right here and here, blink. Now the interesting thing about these little blobs is that they are silicone, that it's actually cheaper to put the silicone down instead of making a protective coating like normal. They actually just drop a bunch of Plasto dip on there, and that protects the silicone parts. So yeah, that has been an examination of two toys. Happy playing.